Good morning. Hope you are having a better health. Today we are going to talk about prioritization of work. Again, this is as good as happens in the at your home, same way it happens in the organization also. What happens? Lot of work. Morning you get up, you are having lot of work at your home. Most of the people get bugged up, and you might have come across such kind of people. Oh my God, what I should do? बहुत काम है. Mama, बहुत काम है. Daddy, I cannot do these works. बहुत काम है. And then sometimes in hanky-panky way they goes to office also, and in office also they create same kind of problem. Oh my God, lot of work is there. रिक्रूटमेंट भी करना है, सीवी भी निकालना है, फ़ोन भी करना है, व्हाट्सएप पे उनको रजिस्टर भी करना है, और हमको जो है इंटरव्यू भी कंडक्ट करवाना है, और उसके बाद हमको पेरोल का मैनेजमेंट भी देखना है, हमको जो MIS भी बनाना है. ओ माय गॉड, मैं क्या करूं? सो पर्सन गेट्स बग्ड अप. ही बिकम्स द लीडर ऑफ मिसमैनेजमेंट of his own traits. So what you should do, we are talking about the same thing, that yes, work will be there, that's why you will be going in at the place of work. If work is not there, load of work is not there, why you should be employed and why you should go to there? So take it the positive way. Good that works, heap of work is there at my table. As I get up in the morning at my house, I have to go for my routine, I have to go for the puja part, I have to go for preparation, and then lunch लेना, डिब लेना और बैग लेना, और 9 बजे 8 बजे 8:30 बजे whatever is time you have to move out of your house, and then you have to reach to office, and then your priorities changes over there. So if you are set your priority that 5 o'clock I will get up, I will do my routine work, 6 o'clock I will go for bath, 7 o'clock I will perform my puja, 7:30 I will prepare my bags and etc., 8 o'clock I will take nasta, and 8:30 I will move out. If you are having pre-decided, and if any work comes in between, then you have to decide कि दैट किस काम के पहले और किस काम के बाद ये नए काम को हम ऐड किया जाए. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रायोरिटी. एंड प्रायोरिटी का मतलब कि वर्क शुड नॉट सफ़र. यू मे बी हैविंग लॉट मैनी वर्क्स, बट इट शुड नॉट बी कॉज टू सफ़र द वर्क. नो, यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज. प्रायोरिटाइज मीन्स व्हाट? 5 work already you are having in your basket, and 6-7 work also has come. अरे भाई, रास्ते में जाते हो बिजली का बिल भर देना. सो आप क्या कहोगे? नो, माई प्रायोरिटी इज फिक्स्ड, आई कैन नॉट डू दिस. नो, यू हैव टू डू, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. हेलो भाई, जाते वक्त जरा डॉक्टर साहब से मिल करके जरा ये कर लेना. तो क्या यू हैव नॉट टू डू फॉर योर मदर, फॉर योर फादर, फॉर योर पीपल? यू हैव टू डू इट. सेट दी प्रायोरिटी कि कौन सा कब कौन सा काम करें. डॉक्टर साहब को अभी मिले या बाद में मिले, इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, उसके हिसाब से किस काम को थोड़ा सा हम कंप्रेस करके किस उसके टाइम को निकाल के हम डॉक्टर साहब से मिल सकते हैं और हम अपने काम को कर सकते हैं. जाते वक्त योर फादर सेड दैट दिस इज़ द फी, वाइल गोइंग प्लीज़ डिपॉजिट इट इन द बैंक ऑफ द स्कूल ऑफ प्रिया. प्रिया इज़ योर sister. What you will do? You will say, no, I will not do, I will go straight to my workplace. No, you have to go your workplace. Priority is set, but you have to deviate your priority here to there. You have to, instead of 8:30, you have to move out 8:15 from your house and you have to go and deposit, that is also equal work. Similarly, in the organization, you have to also prioritize your work. Lot of work will be there. Somebody you may be overhearing, crying on the desk, oh my God, इतना काम, बहुत काम है हमको तो. And then that person becomes ill priority. Such person become ill to ill priorities. Ill priorities क्या है कि हम अपनी प्रायोरिटी को डिसाइड कर ही नहीं पाते हैं. ए भी काम आया ले लिया, ओ भी काम आया ले लिया, उधर से भी आया ले लिया. इट इज ओके बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट रिफ्यूज द वर्क. बट विच वर्क टू बी रिस्पॉन्डेड इन फर्स्ट आवर, which work should be responded in second hour, and what is the relation between closing and beginning of the work between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Sometimes if you don't perform this work, then you cannot begin other two work. So out of these three, you first work you set as priority number 1. So take that work, finish it up, so that the output of first work become the input for the second and third work. So the dependent work, if dependent work is loaded with you, then first you complete the most important work which affects number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then take second, third and fourth, which is correlated with each other. It should not happen that you have taken the work priority work number 8. This number is not written in the book. This number you have to decide. 10 काम आ गया ना, कहते हैं ना 10 काम आ गया, कौन करूं, सर पीटूं, फिर जा करके टॉयलेट में बैठ जाते हैं, फिर जाके सिगरेट पीने चले जाते हैं, फिर जाके इस तरीके की बातें करने लगते हैं और उसमें टाइम खराब होता है. तो ना एक प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1, ना प्रायोरिटी नंबर 2, ना प्रायोरिटी नंबर 3, एंड देन बॉस बुला करके उन्हें शाउट करता है, फायर करता है, हायर करता है, एंड देन दैट पर्सन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग बैड अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट बॉसेज आर वेरी बैड, bosses are always hiring and firing. No, the work came to you. Say simple example of HR department I am talking to you. If attendance days calculation are not with you, then you cannot calculate the payroll. So what you will do? First, what are the papers are with you? You sort it out the attendance related paper, because this is the first. It should be first. It must be first, because without this, the output of days calculation will be input for the salary calculation. So you take first, put it the first priority. Second priority, leave adjustment and all these things you have to also do it. Third priority, you have to refer the previous loan register. Fourth priority, that if any deterrent, any punishment is there, then refer those papers. अब leaving all the work you started, sir, looking for the deterrent and punishment, then yes, you are doing work, no doubt about it, but you will be victims of yourself saying that यार मैं इतना काम करता हूँ, इतना सर फोड़ता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे कभी अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिला. आपको अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलेगा. Why? Because you have not set the priority of the work. Attendance, leave adjustment, loan deduction, previous month loan balance deduction, any other deduction like PT, PF, ESIC, bonus, gratuity, if these related deductions are there, then and then finally you calculate the payroll. Then priority is rightly set by yourself, and calculation of the payroll is done within 2 hours. Otherwise, whole day you become the nuisance value, leading the noise in each corner of the organization, and you becomes the man of dissatisfaction. You become the man of uncultured, and you lead noise every now and then. So setting the priority at the home is similar to setting the priority in the company, organization. Very first thing, reach at the desk in the morning, report for duty. Then first you set your desktop, means computer, and then take all the papers in your control, study shortly and put the number. फर्स्ट नंबर ए करूँगा, सेकंड नंबर ए करूँगा, थर्ड नंबर ए करूँगा, फोर्थ नंबर ए करूँगा. ऐसा करके मैं जो पूरे काम को जो है कंप्लीट कर दूँगा. तो माई प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द वर्क ऑफ द डे, सैलरी कैलकुलेशन, डेज कंप्यूटेशन, टैक्स कंप्यूटेशन, other deductions computation will be in the line of priority required. And evening or any moment you will report to your boss. Either he is asking you or you go and say, sir, calculation is over. Recruitment. What are the candidates you have called yesterday? Put the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 10. All the CV you put on the same number. And morning next day when you reach, just you see the CVs are in the same order, the way candidate has been called. Take each CV, put the documents and all these things, and in no time your candidate is ready for interview. Report to panel. Panel will come, start the interview. Otherwise, unhealthy scenario is that morning when person comes at the desktop, he starts crying. अरे बाप रे, कल तो मैंने 10 कैंडिडेट को बुलाया था, उनका सीवी कहाँ चला गया? राधा, रामा, श्यामा, कामा, कहाँ गया सीवी? सब लोग तो हमारे दुश्मन हैं. हमारे डेस्क, हमारे जाने के बाद हमारे ड्रॉवर को खोल के लोग जो इधर कर देते, उधर कर देते, ये कर देते, वो कर देते. देन होल डे यू क्रिएटेड द नेगेटिव इन्वायरमेंट एंड thus you disturbed yourself, you disturbed other, you could not reach to the work of the day, and you become the region of destructions or negative environment in the organization. So you set the priority, get the work done happening at the time when it should be done. एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल और, 9 बजे के पहले हाउस कीपिंग का काम खत्म हो जाना चाहिए, झाड़ू पोछा मारने का. लेकिन इन द इल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अनकंट्रोल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, when people are working 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, housekeepers come with the झाड़ू एंड पोछा. सर जरा पैर उठाइए, सर जरा कुर्सी खसकाइए, सर जरा उठ जाइए. आप खुद समझिए कैसा आपको फील होता है. आप मनी मन गाली देते हो, आप मनी मन बोलते हो कि यार कैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ 9 बजे के पहले हाउस कीपिंग एंड ऑल दिस एक्टिविटीज़ ओवर, ये तो साला 12 बजे काम शुरू करता है और हमेशा डिस्टर्ब करता है. और उस डिस्टर्बेंस की वजह से फ्यू पीपल कमिट्स द मिस्टेक इन द वर्क बिकॉज द चेन ऑफ थॉट्स ब्रेक्स इन बिटवीन. दिस इज द वेरी लोवेस्ट, बट लर्न always from the low category of the example. This is the way you can have a good habit, good practice in the organization, and you can enjoy the importance of setting the priority of the work of the day, and others also can learn from you. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Nice talking to you. Namaskar.